Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a look at one of the most premium ultra-short-throw laser projectors available right now, the XGIMI AURA Series AURA 2 UST laser projector. If you want a true home theater experience without mounting anything on the ceiling or placing a projector halfway across the room, this UST powerhouse might be exactly what you're looking for. The first thing that grabs your attention is the clean, elegant design of the AURA 2 in white. It looks futuristic, minimal, and blends effortlessly with modern setups. But more importantly, the performance is on a whole different level. With up to 2300 lumens of real brightness and a staggering 1,000,000,1 dynamic contrast ratio, the picture quality is nothing short of cinematic. Blacks look deeper, highlights pop beautifully, and colors stay accurate across the entire display thanks to XGIMI's advanced laser light engine. This model supports Dolby Vision and is IMAX Enhanced, which is rare in projectors, especially UST ones. That means optimized HDR performance, better color accuracy, and a fuller dynamic range. Movies shot with IMAX scenes look larger, sharper, and more immersive. And since this is a UST projector with a 0.177:1 throw ratio, you can place it just inches from the wall and get a massive screen size effortlessly. Sound is another standout feature. You get a full Harman Kardon speaker system, offering clarity, bass depth, and volume that can easily replace a soundbar for many users. Dialogues are crisp, environmental effects are spacious, and music sounds rich enough to fill a living room. On the smart side, the AURA 2 runs Google TV, giving you a complete streaming platform built in Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, Prime Video, and more without needing external hardware. The interface is smooth, fast, and user-friendly. The auto image adjustments make setup simple. Thanks to intelligent keystone correction, autofocus, screen fit, and obstacle avoidance, the image automatically aligns itself, even if you don't place it perfectly. Whether you're building a premium movie room, upgrading an existing setup, or replacing your TV with a giant laser display, the XGIMI AURA 2 UST delivers true high-end performance. If you want to pick one up, the Amazon link is in the description below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Gadgetverse reviews.